Now let's check quick selection tool. Quick selection tool is the next to the lasso tool. It selects the object in your image by selecting along define edge visible in your image. Let us see how we can select an image with quick selection tool. Let us say I just selected this quick selection tool, and while holding the mouse, move your cursor just like this and around the rest of this object until the entire object is selected. If you think you have selected the excess data, always you can delete it by just click and hold Alt and then just deselect it just like this. Now let's check object selection. When it comes to object selection, you can select any type of image by easily just click and hold mouse, just drag just like this the entire selection of the object. If you want to change from lasso shape to rectangle, just click on the options. On selecting this object selection, just click on this rectangle and then create a basic rectangle on top of this object. Automatically Photoshop makes it for you the entire selection of the object. Now let's check about Magic Wand tool. Magic Wand tool is also similar to object selection tool, but it selects only the part of this image. If you want to select the entire, just click on this shift and hold and just select your object just like this. Also, you can access quick selection tool by typing W.